This is Altcoins This Week, a weekly recap of the latest altcoins news. And today we have Bithump bans crypto trading in 11 countries, soccer player will launch his own cryptocurrency, TRON founder could acquire Bittorrent Inc, and Ashton Kutcher donates $4 million in crypto. The actor Ashton Kutcher has made a huge donation to Ellen DeGeneres Wildlife Fund. The announcement was made live during Ellen DeGeneres' show last week. Kutcher and his business partner Guy Oziri both appeared in the show as guests, much to the surprise of host Ellen. She was further amazed when presented with a donation of $4 million in crypto on behalf of Ripple.
You're always thinking about everyone else, and we wanted to show you that people are thinking about you. So, on behalf of Ripple, we'd like to give you $4 million.
Kutcher took the opportunity to point out that as it was a cryptocurrency donation, there was no need for a large check. He added that the digital currency could be transferred at the press of a button and that funds would arrive almost instantly. Ellen was notably touched by the gesture. According to reports on torrentfreak.com, Bittorrent Inc may be in negotiations with TRON's founder Justin Sun. According to paperwork filed earlier this year, the company signed a letter of intent with Sun to give him a first buy option. Although the purchase has not been confirmed, the acquisition paperwork has been signed, designating Justin Sun as CEO of the company, but the process has not been finalized. This comes as a surprise given that Bram Cohen, founder of Bittorrent, has recently shown an interest in cryptocurrencies and plans to create its own called Chia. It appears this is just another business decision made by the tech-savvy founder in the hopes of further developing his own agenda within the cryptocurrency market. We will have to wait and see once the formal announcement is made. Maybe TRON has bigger plans for the massive torrent company. The Colombian soccer player James Rodriguez, who currently plays for Bayern Munich, has announced his intention to launch his own cryptocurrency called JR10 Token. James signed an agreement with SelfSell, a blockchain-oriented startup where, in exchange for his endorsement, he would benefit from the creation of the token. The new coin will be available for sale on May 27th through the SelfSell app. The purpose of the coin is to give fans a gift as a thank you for supporting him throughout his growth as a professional soccer player. Lee Yuan, founder of SelfSell, also commented that this would help James to further develop his brand. Tokens will also be used for sponsorship deals, media channels, football clubs, and more. Another athlete who's planning to launch his own cryptocurrency is boxer Manny Pacquiao. It seems this is becoming a popular choice for stars wishing to further promote their brand. Bithump, one of the largest South Korean exchanges, has announced the banning of digital asset trading in 11 countries. The countries to be banned from the platform are North Korea, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Ethiopia, Syria, Iran, Iraq, Sri Lanka, Trinidad and Tobago, Tunisia, Vanuatu and Yemen. The reason given is money laundering concerns. The cryptocurrency exchange wants to comply with global anti-money laundering regulations by blocking transactions of residents in countries that are non-cooperative with regulations or that are on the territory's blacklist. The measure came into place on May 27th, forbidding new users from these countries from registering on the platform, while pre-existing accounts will be disabled by June 21st. Bithump is hoping to avoid any future sanctions by trying to adhere to the recommendations of South Korean authorities to become more regulated. Maybe other exchanges will follow their lead. We will have to wait and see. Altcoins in the red. Altcoins have also experienced quite a downfall this past week. Ethereum started the week at $690 and dropped from there. By Wednesday, it had lost its 600-mark support, reaching its lowest point of $565 on Thursday. It recovered somewhat on Friday, going back up to $615, but ended up closing the week at $565. Ripple started the week at 69 cents and dropped to its lowest point on Wednesday, reaching 59 cents, but recovered somewhat, staying at the 60 cents mark and closing the week at that price. Bitcoin Cash opened at $1,250, but dropped throughout the week, losing its 1,000 support bar and reaching its lowest point of $967 on Thursday. It tried to recover, reaching the $1,000 mark, but ended the week at the $990. EOS opened above the $13 mark, but it also suffered with the rest of the market, reaching its lowest point on Thursday when it bottomed out at $10.50. However, it recovered to close the week at $12.50, outperforming all other coins we've analyzed. Finally, Litecoin opened the week at the 130 mark, but then experienced quite a downfall, going as low as 116 on Thursday, before recovering a little to close the week at 117. The entire market is experienced a downturn, due perhaps to recent comments from the US Department of Justice starting their intention to dig deep into Bitcoin trading and any possible manipulation of the market. Let's not forget that Bitcoin has a big influence on the rest of the market, making it likely that altcoins will follow Bitcoin market patterns. I'm Helen Moss, and this was Altcoins This Week. Make sure you subscribe to hear all the latest news. Until next time.